Welcome back to Rituals. Today I have here the Jordan 1 Mids Chicago Black Toe. These right here retail for $110. Just got these in the mail from Nike.com. They're not actually listed on the website right now. They kind of release these periodically, so it's kind of like almost like a special release. So yeah, these right here are the Chicago Black Toes Jordan 1 Mids. You have your rubber outsole here with your tread. You have your traditional Chicago Bulls colorway. You have some pretty decent leather here, pretty good quality for the mids. Normally the mids doesn't have this type of quality as far as leather. Pretty decent, not the best, but it's pretty decent. You have your wing logo here, your Air Jordan wing logo. This one came with black shoelaces. You have your Jumpman Air symbol on the tongue. The tongue is more of like almost like a mesh type material. Yeah, almost like a mesh type material. Came with black laces. It was the only pair of laces it came with. It was the black laces. So this is basically similar to the OG High Chicago's, except for they have the white blocking here. And I kind of wish they would have done on this shoe, or either made the tongue black. But either way, it's a pretty decent shoe. On a comfort scale of 1 to 10, I would give it probably like a 7. But most Jordan 1s aren't meant for comfort. They're meant more for like style. But pretty decent shoe. Here's the inside of the shoe. You have your Jumpman logo with your size tag. It's right here. Here's your size tag that's in the tongue. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. But pretty decent shoe. Thank you guys for tuning in to Rituals. I need you guys to do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos. But also, let me hit you guys with the on-foot version of the video and some B-roll. And once again, thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate your support. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of the Jordan 1 Mid Chicago Black Toe. That's a lot of words. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos. These shoes I'm actually feeling. I don't know why people are hating on the mids. I know people are caught up in the hype of the OG highs or whatnot, and a lot of people are hating on the mids and lows. But I think it's a great colorway. It's a decent shoe. The shoe is pretty much the same as the high. There's no real difference, to be honest. The high is a little bit higher. And I guess because Michael Jordan actually wore the highs when he played, maybe that's why people are caught up in it. But it's a dope colorway, great shoe. The only thing I would have changed is I would have either made the tongue black or either I would have made the toe white. But if you made the toe white, then the shoe would be called a black toe anymore. So with that being said, thank you guys once again for tuning in. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you guys stay in, stay safe. If you're going out, be safe, respect one another, show each other respect and love. And once again, I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you guys. and we out. So this right here is the actual shoe box. You got your size logo right here, which states Air Jordan 1 Mid. The colorway is black, gem red. This right here is a size 10.5, my size. So yeah, you got your product information on the box. This is what the box looks like. You got your Gold Jumpman logo. Inside the box, you have your standard Jordan tissue paper. This one has the number 23 in gold, if you guys can see that. And then also you have your product number in the box right up in here. So that's pretty much all that was included with the box.